Subject of the formula, example 6. They say here, and this is from a CXC past paper, given that x is equal to y minus 2 divided by y minus 3, express y in terms of x. You are going to transpose the formula to make y the subject. And remember, even though you see 2y's here, when you finish and you have y, just one y equal, you will have no other y's. Everything else on the other side of the equation is the equal sign, alright? So pause the video and work this out. Okay, pause and work it out. Let's go through it together. Here, what you have is x equals y minus 2 divided by y minus 3. Now, what you can do here is multiply by y minus 3, right? That's one thing that you can do here. Multiply by y minus 3. What is going to happen when you do that? Let's see. You have x equals y minus 2 divided by y minus 3. This will be multiplied by y minus 3, and this will be multiplied by y minus 3. Now, guess what? This y minus 3 will cancel this y minus 3. You see that? So what you have is x times y minus 3 equals y minus 2. Now remember, the aim here is to get the two y's beside each other, then you factor out one y. So we want to move things up so that we get the y's beside each other on one side of the equal sign. If we multiply x times y, it will give us xy minus x times 3 gives us 3x equals y minus 2. Right? Now, if we add negative 3x, we could add negative 3x and subtract y at the same time, but let's just add negative 3x at this point. The reason why I'm adding it is because I'm going to get rid of it from being mixed up with the y here. Right? You want y's only on one side. Now, here, what I have is xy minus 3x equals y minus 2. You see that? Then add 3x over here and add 3x over here. Negative 3x plus 3x is 0, so I have xy alone equals y minus 2 plus 3x. The next thing is to subtract y. Reason? Because I want both y's together on the same side. The y's are on opposite sides, so I'm going to essentially move this one over here by subtracting it. So here I have xy equals y minus 2 plus 3x. Now, minus y here and minus y here. But y minus y is 0. You see, you have xy minus y equals, this is gone, all of this here, that's gone. Negative 2 plus 3x. So that's what I have. Now notice what happens on the left hand side. This is the part where we have 1y. We're going to get out 1y. You factorize. So you have y, and then inside the bracket, y times whatever you put here is going to give you xy. So it is x that's here. Y times whatever you put here is going to give you y. Y times 1 give you y. Or you could say y into xy goes x times, because if you have xy over y, you have x times here. And then, if you think about this one, y into y goes 1. That's two ways of thinking about factorizing the xy minus y to become y, open bracket, x minus 1, close bracket. Alright? Equals. Let me put the positive expression on the left, 3x minus 2. It's a little neater that way. Now, the last thing to do here is to divide by x minus 1. So here, notice you have y times x minus 1 equals 3x minus 2. When you divide by x minus 1, x minus 1 cancels itself. So you're left with y alone equal. But over here, you must divide by x minus 1 also. So what you get as the answer is y equals 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 1.